Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be talking about another OUAI product. So this is for the hair, obviously, and it is the OUAI Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. So as you can see, I've been using it quite a lot recently. I've had this for a while. I used it once in a while because I wasn't really using, heat and stuff before, and I was using it on my undyed hair. But now, since I have dyed hair, I have a lot of things to say about this product because I do use heat, I do dry my hair, I do try to style it. I said try because, my hair is just not forgiving. It just wants to do its own thing, be very selfish, doesn't want to listen to what I want to do. So, yeah, that's what it is. So let's get into this product review. So first of all, I like the packaging. It's cute. It's nice. I like it's sleek, minimalistic. The OUAI logo is nice. There's some silver accent on it. It's cute, pretty basic, but it does do the trick, and you can see how much product is left into your bottle, which is a plus. This one has 140 ml in it, or 4.7 fluid ounces. And for that amount, let me check the price. It is $40.50 Canadian, which is quite expensive for a hair product. It says a leave-in conditioner that detangles hair and protects against heat and damage, which I didn't know about the heat part because it's not written like heat protection on it. To reduce frizz and flyaways for perfectly smooth, silky hair, which is what I definitely need after damaging my hair. It is for fine, medium, and thick, straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair. So pretty much for everybody. Also, hair concerns, dryness, dealing with that, frizz, dealing with that, and also heat protection because I am drying my hair much more now that I dyed my hair, just because I want it to be smooth, nice, look great. So also the key benefits: provides hydration and heat protection for up to 450 Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius, which is pretty high. It conditions, detangles, and fight frizz, leave the hair smooth, shiny, and manageable. Also, highlighted ingredients real quick: tamarind seed extract provides weightless hydration to your hair. Panthenol and vitamin E condition and detangle the hair, and hydrolyzed proteins protect against damage. And there's a bunch of ingredient callouts that you have on there, but if you want that info, you can also go on their website or the Sephora website. Talking about this product, I've been using it different ways, obviously, because my hair is dry and I kind of want to have my hair a little bit smoother than it was. So for the price, just what it's supposed to do on its own without trying the product, I feel like you get your money's worth, because sometimes you buy a heat protectant and then you need like a leave-in conditioner and then you need something else. So this is kind of like a product that rounds up everything all at once. And instead of using multiple products, it's just easy to use. You just have one product and you're like, okay, I'm going to use this, and it's probably going to be good for, everything. And it saves you time in the end because you don't have to apply multiple products one after the other. My experience with using the product, usually when I use it multiple times throughout my hair care routine. So exactly when I come out of the shower, I make sure that my hair, the wetness is like mostly removed. I wring out my hair with a towel, and then I put like 5 to 6 sprays on my hands, and then I apply it throughout my hair to make sure that everything is protected from everything. And I try to avoid my roots, and the reason why is because my roots for some reason are just extremely oily. My scalp is really oily, and then my length and my ends are very dry. So I focus the product all there, and then I start drying my hair after brushing my hair and stuff, and then I dry my hair with my Shark hair dryer all the way to like 80 to 85, sometimes 90%, and then you can really see like the frizz, it's still there, and it's not as good as you would want it. You're like, oh my god, like I applied this product and it's like not that great, but I haven't brushed my hair yet. It's kind of like a step that you have to do after drying your hair. So before I do that, I reapply some of the product just because I do have long hair and the product kind of dried, and I want to make sure that I'm using the leave-in conditioner thing when my hair is almost dry. And then I keep drying it a little bit, and then I switch to the brush end to brush out my hair and to smooth out the ends of my hair. And then with that, my hair just ends up looking really, really beautiful and really nice. So this is my hair after all day, after wearing the product. I went outside, my hair was in a claw clip, my hair was out like this, and it looks really, really nice. And also, I brushed my hair throughout the day if there's some knot, but there wasn't really any knot because it didn't do anything crazy. But it does help throughout the day to brush it back if you need to. And it comes back to a really smooth and really shiny, nice hair, which I like, because with my dyed hair, sometimes it can look pretty awful. The frizziness is like insane. But with this product, I've been really, really loving it. It's been smoothing out the frizz, like especially if I do this, okay? Like, let's do like a little test. It's kind of hard, but I already applied the product though, so like it's hard to it's hard to show you guys. Yeah, but you're gonna see on the video like the difference, what it does. But if I do put it on my hand to show you like the consistency, it's not that liquidy, but it holds itself. And it smells really nice. It's floral. I really like their products, to be honest. And then if I apply it to my hair, which it doesn't feel like a typical leave-in conditioner because of the heat protectant that is in it. That's what I noticed with this product, because I do have another leave-in conditioner and I can tell the difference between that one and the other one. So you really have to be careful with the amount of product that you're putting in your hair, because if you put too much, you will definitely like see that residue and it's not gonna be pretty. So be careful with the amount that you're putting in your hair for sure. And do like me, this is a trick that I do, is I apply a little bit, then I dry, then I reapply if I need a little bit more. As you can see, like I put it on my hands now, but my hair, okay, the smoothness of my hair is so much better. It is so much better because since I box dyed my hair is really gritty. When I pass my finger, you can feel the damage on the hair follicle. And when I apply this, it gets so smooth and it is so shiny. So it's really shiny. As you can see, I'm like trying to show you. I don't know how to show you guys. I'm like, oh, look. Huh. I can't even do that because my hair's not that long anymore and it's, not really thick anymore. So anyways, my hair is very fine and I don't have a lot of it. So I'm trying to preserve whatever I have on my head. So anyways, overall, I really like this product and I'm surprised. And you guys, I found this, I didn't even buy it full price. Okay. So I went to Value Village one day and it was like in a bag. It was right there. And I was like, oh my God, it wasn't even open. It's new, it's great. I was like, oh my God, there's no way that I found a OUAI hair care product for $3. But I did. And would I pay $40 for this product? I would 100% pay $40 for this product just because it is so good. One product for everything. And it smells good. My hair feels good, super smooth, super shiny after using it. Does it help hold a curl? No. That's one thing though. If you want a product to hold a curl, this is not going to help you with that. This is kind of like rounding up everything that I need a hair product for. So that's why I'm using it and that's why I like it so much. So would I recommend the OUAI Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner? I would definitely 100% recommend it. If you're looking for a OUAI hair product that will do a lot of the things for a lot of people, then this one is definitely for you. And if you did try it before, tell me down below. I would love to know. And also, what is your favorite leave-in conditioner if you are using one, and what do you recommend for my hair type or for other people's hair type? It's good to like share products that we use on a daily basis. So anyways, I really recommend this product. I absolutely love it and I hope that you will too if you are buying it as well. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this review. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and make sure to like the video, comment down below again, and to subscribe to my channel for some more content on this beautiful channel. And yeah, so thank you so much again for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.